Cool.
You're gonna like that.
Yeah, he just tells the guy, he's like, I want number 1 all the way around. You get a 1?
On the sides, yeah.
You're lying.
I do.
Yeah, but you get a 1 here. I get a 1 here too, but you don't get a 1.
A 1 with a K.
You have so much more neck than I do.
So much neck. Or like...
Well, I need to talk to Collins about what the commitment is. Anybody want to repeat him?
What is that club?
5 iron. This is the 5 iron. Oh yeah.
Go in. What?
Oh yeah.
I say Aiden's worse.
Funny one.
Funny, right?
Because they're both named.
Fresh out of box, tireless Pro V1X, number 6. Red.
Sit.
Sit down. Jimmy Swamp. Jimmy Swamp. Yeah, Jimmy Swamp.
That's 1. And a terrific start with 0 fairways hit.
Third shot for the lad. This is to win the hole. He just did not get it
All he
there.
had to do was get it there. Oh well.
Tied.
Way more downhill than it was.
Bogey on 1. Yeah.
169.
Daddy, says TJ.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck me.
Sit. Pick the flag.
Like getting dead.
Oh! Team Ray Guy. 1 up.
That's sick. Wrong fairway.
Did.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh, no.
Stop. Fuck. Shit.
Oh, Jid.
Oh, shit. Where the fuck did this guy come from?
Oh my god, that is so good.
That's the tiger line right there, fellas.
Oh no.
Pin high. He's about 3 feet.
Shot. How you feeling, boy?
I'm so deep inside the grass right now.
Dude, he's closer than my 80-yard wedge shot. Jeepers, creepers. Down. Sit.
Keep going. Get going.
Go.
Man, I can't believe it.
It's gotta get there.
Well, that is just so bad.
We're both for bogey.
Jeez. Aid with his beautiful Scotty camera.
Didn't read it right.
It wants to turn. It's trying.
Oh.
Come back.
This is for the tie.
Fucking jid.
Update on the match.
So we're currently 2 up on the match. I'm gonna wait. What's up, fellas? This is happening.
I don't know why you hit.
Bomb.
Just don't be right in the fucking creek.
Dude.
There's only one way to describe it if your ball just went in the creek.
Unlucky.
Unlucky.
Oh, up against the tree.
You'll love to see it. We're in a great position, aren't we?
The tree boys are 2 down. Jackson trying to make it tough here on by.
Johnny, rise up.
For fuck.
Go.
Very nice. Oh, that is.
Just made a little 12-footer downhill.
Right. That way. What are you hitting it?
Oh.
Draw.
The divot. Oh, that is pretty.
Dude, every time.
This is a whoopage of the ass, okay?
Sounded very nice.
Oh no.
He just made a bomb putt to tie the hole. We still remain 4 up. We win the front.
Aiden, why are you so goddamn curvy? I don't know.
Oh.
Oh, I love that. Dude, whoa.
What a shot!
Oh, and that concludes the front 9. We take the win. Team Dookie Boys. That's
Why in the ever-living fog?
Demolishing the Lions 35-14. The Browns are demolishing the Cowboys 38-14.
Demolishing.
The Bengals are finally going to win playing Lions 24-13.
we're now 2 under after a scramble of the back 9. We are trying to shoot through. right there. That little V.
What TJ thinks.
On the Reds. We haven't mentioned that we're on the red tees.
We're not. We're on
Because
the
we're
tips.
women.
Oh, bug. Right into the trees.
Yeah, that's not.
Show us the line.
No, he hasn't.
Vagina. Holy shit, it did it. It's gone.
Dude, I just penetrated that.
Aiden has ever penetrated a V. Right?
Yeah!
Have you hit yet?
No, I don't need a hit after that. Holy shit, that was good.
Hit it.
Oh my god.
This. Wow.
Jackson, you had one job.
Alright, so 108 left into a par 5.
All right.
Dude, that is
Sounded like a shit.
130 yards.
30.
Again.
Beautiful.
Attack the fat loogie in the backswing.
Oh.
Hold it.
This is happening.
But. As always.
Oh my god. Orgasm.
Oh, please, Eagle. Please, that was the line.
Hang on. He's not going to. Oh, yes. Oh.
Were they big ditties?
I didn't see it. Oh. Alright.
I'll be using the socket.
I mean-
too.
Yeah, that's a funny
20 feet.
I'm gonna date you right in your small penis. Jackson was laughing.
That was straight down the line.
Sit down.
That's just. But don't hit it that hard. Break.
Jesus.
Holy shit, he's so.
Jesus Christ, Jackson.
Fuck off, Jackson. Jesus.
Jesus Christ, I'm carrying the shit out of you, Jackson. He was like this.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's every bit of 240 right there.
Oh wow.
He's just the most aggressive spit ever.
Jeez, we gotta settle down.
Oh wow.
What if I spit on the camera?
That'd be funny.
Oh, that's even better.
Oh my god.
That shot so far right.
Thinking after that shot, Aiden.
240.
Yeah.
Well, no, from the
That's like 3. Oh no.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
That didn't spin.
How long is this?
Hacka.
That's right of it.
Go, 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 go.
That by accident. You really thought I did that by accident?
It's not like it would be a bad thing because you've missed like 2 2-footers.
You missed so many putts. I thought it was genuine.
That's the wrong line, you dumbass.
Sinks it.
In the hole.
I told. What the fuck was that line, TJ? Was I in Route 81, you dumbass
Auditions.
bitch?
Baritone parts.
Bug. That is so it.
The trees are just like, fuck you.
So we are currently 3 under par on the back 9 as a group, which is not very good. This is for Birdie to get to 4 under, and we have 2 holes. Wow.
If it's not there, it's not going in. Firm up the hill. Firm. Bud, Aiden's hungry over here. If it's not there, it's not
Dude, I
going
pushed
in.
it. I fucked it.
Jesus!
What?
Oh.
Yeah, he
I
called it.
freaking pulled it.
116. Ace cam is live.
Shit.
It's just not.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's one thing to spit on the towel. It's another thing to spit on the towel and use it to clean your gloves. It's another thing to spit on the towel, make a noise, and clean it with your gloves. Oh, it's fucking it. Oh my god, actually though.
You're gonna be short. You fucktard. Yeah, it's like not even on the green.
This is the coolest thing I've ever seen right now. You
Folks.
have the tee in the ground still, but it's inside the divot.
You would do that earlier. Jackson, it's a ball out.
Nothing more distracting than Aiden.
Oh. My.
He's aiming a foot out. Break, break.
Oh, what? Oh no!
He missed it right. Oh, father.
Oh, there's a fucking.
Jesus Christ, jeez.
I have a fucking board in there.
God, he should.
Launched left.
I saw your
Up.
foot off down there.
Where is this herald? Oh. How doth be?
Go to Pound Town. Pound Town
Thank.
party of 7 centimeters. Oh, that's so bad.
Finally.
I say if we birdie this hole, we play the next one.
Can I follow one of you guys to Cooper's?
All right,
Put it in your.
that'll do it.
Hey, you want to see my enormous ass?
No.
We'll see you next time.
What is? Get that imposter out of my jit.
Replacing your divot.
Bird's head. Burger King foot lettuce.